How to reset your Instagram Explore page. Resetting your Instagram Explore page can help refresh the content recommendation to better align with your interest. If your Explore feed is showing irrelevant or unwanted posts, you can reset or adjust it. In order to do so, first of all, you can clear your research or search history. This search history on Instagram influences the Explore page recommendation. To clear this, you can go to the search bar and then on your recent searches, click on Clear All. Once this is done, it should help. Another way in order to clear this is go to your profile and then tap on the three horizontal lines. Once that is done, you have to go to your activity. Under your activity, you will see the option Recent Searches. For this, scroll down to the page. Once you find the option, tap on it and then tap on Clear All to remove all your recent searches. Next is manually update the Explore feed. If you see posts in the Explore page that are irrelevant, you can manually update your preferences. Click on the video and then click on the three dots of the post that you do not like. Then tap on Not Interested and Instagram will hide the post and show fewer similar posts in the future. Repeat this action for any posts that are irrelevant. Additionally, engage with contents that you such as like, comment, and save posts that you interest you. Follow accounts related to your interest, and then it will give you the contents and refresh the page in similar manner. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.